again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another boom and crash strategy. And this strategy right here is for catching spike, guys. It's for catching spike. Okay? With this strategy, you are sure to make money every single day from the boom and crash market, guys. You are going to make a lot of money every day from the boom and crash market. Okay, so if you are excited and you want to see me show you how to use this strategy, make sure you stick to this video till the end. Okay, make sure you don't skip any part of this video. Now I'm going to be showing you guys some few steps on how this strategy works. Okay, so before we go into that, if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, like this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. Okay, so with that out of the way now, let me show you guys how this wonderful strategy works. Okay, this is a spike catching strategy and it works best on the boom 1000, the crash 1000, boom 500 and the crash 500. Okay, I haven't tested it on the crash and boom 300 yet. Okay, so you can only use it on these four synthetic index I have just mentioned. Okay, so now how the strategy works, let me look for a perfect example so I can use and explain for you guys. Okay guys, now once you see price going down like this, okay, once you see price going down like this, as you can see on the indicator window 1 and the chart now, once you start seeing price going down and it has gone to the 15 level right here, it has gone to the 15 level, okay, because we are on boom right now, so we are going to be catching spike. Okay, so once you see price got to the 15 level here, what you should do is to wait for a spike. Okay, now you are waiting for a spike, and boom. Okay, you see this spike right here, see there was a spike right here. Okay, now this is when you get ready to enter. Okay, now once you see that spike, it doesn't mean you should go into the market. Okay, you need to wait for some few conditions before you can take entry. Okay, and this is what you should look out for. Now you see this green dot and line over here. Okay, you need to allow it to start showing. Okay, now when it was coming down, you can see it was red. Okay, which means we are in the seller's territory. Okay, now immediately it spike. Okay, you will see that this color, it was red before, is going to change to green. Okay, now once you start seeing green, once you start seeing the color changing to green, okay, that is a signal for you to enter. Okay, that is trying to show you that we are now in the buyer's zone. Okay, my chart is showing white and black. Okay, that is why you can see it like this. So maybe your own chart will be showing red and green. Okay, you know, when it's buying, they can't normally change to green. Okay, and when it's selling, they can't do changes to red. Okay, so this color right here is trying to show you the two conditions of the market, that is the selling and the buying. Okay, so when you see red, you know we are in a selling market, and then when you see green, you know that the trend has changed to an uptrend. Okay, which means we are now in the buyer's zone. Okay, so now once you see that the color has changed to red green, sorry, once you see that the color has changed to green, the next thing you do is to buy immediately. Okay, you buy immediately, you see that green, buy from the next candle, immediately you see that green color appear. Okay, so let's say you buy from this area right here. Okay, this is where the spike occur. This is where the spike occur. Sorry, I'm trying to get the area. Okay, let's say this is where the this area is where the spike occur. So you are going to go in for a buy from this area right here, and you can see, as you can see, the next thing that happened, there was spikes. Okay, you can see there was spike upward. Okay, so if you have entered from this area right here, you would have got all this spike now. Okay, so let me show you guys another example. Let me show you another example. You can see right here, but this is not a perfect example. Let's see. Okay, you can see price was going down, everything was going down. Now all you need to wait for is a spike, and this is the spike. Okay, now the green has appeared. The next thing, you can see there was another spike. Okay, maybe you have entered from this point now. Okay, you can see there was spike, and you are still in the market. Okay, don't worry, you will not get any loss. See, there was, look at another long spike here. Okay, you can see that. Now what you need to know is that once it spike and that spike gets to this 85 zone right here, when the spike gets to the 85 zone, okay, you should exit the market. Okay, because it might start going down back. Okay, based on your analysis. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do the analysis from the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so that you get better opportunity and better buying opportunities. Okay, so you can see this is another example. You can see there was spike. You can see everything change to green, and the next thing you enter from this zone, you catch this spike right here. You can see that, guys. You can see, let's go again. You can see that there was spike. You enter from this place, there was another spike here. You're going to catch that spike. The reason why it start going down here is because it has gotten to the 85 level. Okay, so that's why I said you should make sure you check that. Okay, so that you exit the market. Even if it's one spike or two spike you have caught, that is okay. Okay, you need to minimize your risk. Okay, so that you not get much loss, or you not like make profit and then go back to loss. Okay, make sure you always set a TP and a stop loss for your trades. So you can see that, guys. You can see how this strategy is working. You can see right here, and you can see spikes. So this is a very powerful strategy, guys. You can see there was spike. You enter from this side and you catch all this spike. So this is how the strategy work. This is how simple and perfect the strategy is. So now I'm going to show you how to do your analysis from the higher time frame. Okay, so if you want to do your analysis, you go to the, let's say, the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the reason why you see that the price has not been going where, as I'm showing you an example, is because we are on a downtrend right now. Okay, so when you are on a downtrend, okay, the strategy, it doesn't work very well. Okay, it will be working, but it's not going to be 100% accurate. Okay, it's going to be, let's say, 60% or 50% of winning rate. Okay, so you will not make much profit. So before you start using it, if you are on boom, you make sure you are in an uptrend. Okay, let's say something like this. Okay, you can see that we are in an uptrend right here. So when you see something like this, then that is when you buy on boom. Okay, you go to your 1 minute time frame and then you start looking for buying opportunities. Okay, so if you are in this kind of market, you are going to make a lot of money. Okay, so make sure you know the trend you are before you take your entries from your 1 minute time frame. So how do you know if you are in an uptrend or a downtrend? You can see right now all the candlesticks, they are above this middle line. Okay, you can see they are above this middle line right here. All of them are above it. Okay, which means we are in an uptrend. And then this one right here, you can see that it broke through the middle line, and you see, and retest it right here, and everything starts going below the middle line. Okay, so once you see something like this, it means we are in a downtrend now. Okay, it went up again here and then still came down. So right here you can see that the market range a little bit. Okay, so once you see a ranging market like this, it's also a good opportunity for you to catch spike too. Okay, Once you see a ranging market, you can also go to the 1 minute time frame and catch spike. But when you see a downtrend like this, a straight downtrend like this, it's not good for you to take any trade. Okay, I would advise you don't take any trade at all, because you might lose a lot of money. So just avoid a downtrend like this. Okay, avoid a downtrend and look for a perfect uptrend to trade whenever you are on boom. Okay, then when you are on crash, you, like, let's say you can see we are in a downtrend right now. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to take trades from the 1 minute time frame. Okay, you are going to get good opportunities. Okay, and this time it's going to be the opposite of the boom. Okay, it's going to be the opposite of what I explained in the bull market. You can see right here that there was spike here, it broke through the middle line, and then right here it starts showing red. Yes, it starts showing red. On the bull, I say it will start showing green before you buy. So here now it will start showing red before you sell. Okay, so here we are selling. Okay, we are not buying, we are on crash now, we are going to be selling. So you need to know that, you need to know this. And you can see how price came down here, and the rest, there was spike all the way down. You can see that for yourself, guys. You can see this is a very powerful strategy. You need to test it for yourself. Make sure you back test it, trade it with your demo account first before you put in your real money. Okay, so that is it for this strategy. That is all you need to know. So for the zoom level, as you already know, if you are my subscriber, you know my zoom level. You are supposed to know my zoom level by now. Okay, you zoom out completely. Okay, then you zoom in twice, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the zoom level that you guys should be using. Okay, and then this is how you are going to set your screen. Okay, the middle of the F and the dollar sign. Okay, something like this, you are good to go. And then let me share the strategy and the settings with you guys. Okay, first thing you do is to click on the F icon. For those of you who are just coming for the first time, okay, you click on the F icon. The first indicator you are going to search for is going to be the Bollinger Band. Okay, you see it right here. You search for the Bollinger Band. Okay, and these are the period. Okay, it's just the default setting. Okay, you click on the default setting, you can see it's all the default setting that is here. I didn't change anything. Okay, you click on done, and then the next indicator setting is going to be the fractals. Okay, you search for the fractals, you click on it, and you can see this is just the setting, nothing more. After this, you click on done, and then you search for your next indicator is going to be the stochastic oscillator, this one right here. Okay, you search for the stochastic oscillator, you click on it. Okay, and then these are the settings. Okay, just make sure you set your screen exactly the same way I did mine. Okay, these are the settings. These are the settings. The level right here, you can see is 15 and 85. Okay, so you click on it, you change the settings to 15 and 85. You make the color black, and then the pixel, you choose it to pixel or anyone you wish to put it. Okay, that's up to you. Then make sure the color, you set the color of your background. Okay, you see I use white right here because I'm using a white background. Okay, and then the pixel, you make it 1 pixel. After that, you click on done, and then our last indicator right here is the Ichimoku. But before you choose the Ichimoku, all this time you are choosing all this indicator, you are clicking on this F icon right here. Okay, so now before you choose, let's say when you choose this stochastic oscillator, this second F icon is going to appear. Okay, so this is the icon now you are going to be pressing. Okay, you are going to be clicking on this one in order to choose the Ichimoku. Okay, so once you click on this one, and then you search for this Ichimoku now. Okay, so once that is done, you click on the Ichimoku. You click on the Ichimoku, and then these are your settings, guys. These are your settings. Make sure you set everything the same way as mine. Okay, set everything the same way you are seeing it here. Okay, so after that, you click on done, and then you are good to go. You have a screen like this, okay? You have everything same as mine. So make sure you apply risk management, guys. Apply risk management, okay? So that's it, guys. I'll be drawing the curtain here. So if you have watched this video and you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like. And if you are just coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you do that. Like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a powerful but simple strategy like this, you get notified immediately, guys. Thanks for your time. See you out.